Hello again guys and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography, again with MiNT and the InstantKon RF70. Today we are going to check the 5 bad points of these cameras. Yeah, it's a really great camera, it's an amazing camera that you can enjoy taking picture with, but yeah, we know, as every camera, it has a pro and cons, so let's check it out. Number 1, the closing mechanism. I feel this is the worst things ever in this camera. It's plastic, it's easy to forget that we need to push here in order to close the camera, especially when you're not using it on a daily basis. You just simply think, okay, I have to pull back here and then close it. I don't know, I really feel it's easy to break and I don't like the idea. Please change it, make it at least metal. Number 2, the ND filter. Yes, I know, I say this is a good point, but gosh, this is a proprietary mount. So what to do with all the ND filters or other filters that we have? We can't use it. That's a bad point. Number 3. Where is the self timer? Did you forget it? This is a really another point, negative point for this camera. We know we want to enjoy when we take pictures, right? So we are with our family and we want to take a group picture, and who is the one that is going to take the picture? Because yeah, there is no self timer, so we can't be all together in the same picture. No. Number 4, autofocus. I'm not sure to put this one really in the negative parts, but let's say that sometimes having an autofocus function can be useful. Let's say that it's not 100% a negative one, because yeah, we know we like to play manually, right? So we enjoy when we can use our lens manually. Number 5, focusing. So as you know, we have 2 main windows, one to focus, one to frame. Unfortunately, for the focusing part, the images not always can match perfectly. I feel like MiNT needs to fix this part a little bit more. I remember these issues was even before in the pre-production one. Nothing that you can't go over. Again, it's kind of easy. You can imagine, okay, this is the place where the images should match properly together. But again, compared with other cameras with high price like this one, I feel like we probably want a better focusing feature. And a little extra, the count here. The problem is that when you finish your battery, or for any reason you turn off for a long time, change battery, whatever is it, and with already the film inside, then turn on again a new battery, it starts counting from 10 again. So I feel like the counting mechanism is something that should be definitely improved.